Your home is calling for help, and you've got exactly 10 minutes to answer. That's all it takes to go from cluttered chaos to peaceful calm. No exhausting all-day deep cleaning marathons required. Before we dive into the real strategies that work, I want you to smash that subscribe button. We're dropping life-changing cleaning wisdom every single week, and you don't want to miss it. Drop a like on this video, leave a comment telling me which room stresses you out the most, and don't forget to share this with friends and family that need this badly.
I'm Marcus, and I'm thrilled to have with us today Yuki Tanaka, a cleaning consultant from Japan who's revolutionized how thousands of people think about their living spaces. Yuki, welcome to Seniors Cleaning Hacks.
Thank you so much, Marcus. I'm excited to share these simple methods with everyone watching today.
Let's start with something important. Why does having a clean space even matter?
When you walk into a clean room, your mind feels lighter. It's like the space breathes with you. In Japan, we understand that a calm environment creates a calm mind. Clean spaces have healing power.
Section 1. Understanding the foundation. The critical difference between two concepts. Marcus, I notice a lot of people don't realize something crucial.
Can you explain?
Many people think cleaning and tidying are the same thing.
They are not.
That's important. Tell our viewers the difference.
Tidying means organizing and putting things in their proper places. Cleaning means removing dirt and dust. You cannot have a truly clean home if it is not organized first. Organization comes first, cleaning comes second.
So, if someone's home is messy right now, what's their first move?
Stop thinking about cleaning for now. Focus on tidying. Put items where they belong. Once everything has a home, the cleaning becomes fast and simple. This is the foundation.
Tip number 1. Make organization your first priority. What does someone do practically when they start tidying?
Look at your space. Are things scattered everywhere? Do you see items on tables that shouldn't be there? That's where you begin. Put books on shelves. Put clothes in closets. This step alone changes everything. When a room is organized, you already feel better. The actual cleaning becomes 50% easier.
And it doesn't take as long as people think?
No, most homes can be organized in a weekend. Then daily maintenance is simple.
Section 2. Setting up for success. Tip number 2. Position your cleaning tools for easy access. One thing I've noticed is people hide their cleaning supplies. Why is that a problem?
If your cleaning tools are in a hard-to-reach place, like deep in a closet, you won't use them. It becomes inconvenient. You have to dig through things, waste time searching, and suddenly cleaning feels like a big project. Make it easy instead.
So where should people keep them?
In places you can reach quickly. On a shelf in your kitchen, near your bathroom, by your entryway. The easier the access, the more likely you are to clean something the moment you see dirt. This habit grows naturally when tools are nearby.
And if someone worries about how it looks,
Modern cleaning tools are beautiful now. Stylish mops, attractive organizers, pretty storage baskets. You don't need to hide them anymore. Having tools visible actually reminds you to maintain your space.
Tip number 3. Keep your cleaning supplies simple and focused. Let me ask you something. Do people really need 15 different cleaning products?
I see this mistake often. People buy many products but use only 2 or 3. They get confused about which one to use where. Keep it simple. 1 good detergent for general use, 1 good sponge. That is enough for daily work.
Really? Just one of each?
For daily maintenance, yes. Powerful chemicals and many sponges are not necessary. Simple tools work better because you actually use them. Simplicity means you spend more time cleaning and less time deciding what to use.
Section 3. The Daily Routine Framework. Understanding the 10-minute method. So, tell us about this 10-minute cleaning method everyone's talking about.
It works like this. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in another area. Total is 10 minutes, but spread across your day. This is far better than trying to clean your whole house in one block.
Why is breaking it up better?
Your mind stays fresh. You stay motivated. The work feels light and manageable. You finish before you feel tired. This is sustainable. People do this for years because it doesn't feel hard.
Tip number 4. Start your morning routine with intention. Walk us through the morning part.
Begin your morning by focusing on your floors. Take a disposable cleaning cloth, add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint essential oil to it, attach it to your mop, move the mop across your floors gently. This takes about 5 minutes.
What does the peppermint do?
It has antibacterial properties, it repels insects, it also wakes up your mind. The aroma lifts your mood and clears brain fog after sleep. While you clean, you feel energized and refreshed.
That's actually brilliant.
It is a simple method with multiple benefits. Your floors are clean, your air is fresh, your mind is awake. This sets the tone for your entire day.
Important note, if you have pets at home, avoid peppermint oil because it can irritate their skin and breathing. Tip number 5. Choose your secondary area. So after the morning 5 minutes, people focus on another area. How do they choose?
Pick one of 3 places: your entrance, your kitchen, or your bathroom. You select based on what bothers you most that day. Some days focus on entrance, other days focus on kitchen. This variety keeps cleaning interesting and covers all important areas.
And each one takes about 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes total. You're not trying to deep clean. You're maintaining what you already have. Regular maintenance stops dirt from building up into big problems.
Section 4. Entrance and Doorway Care. The Spiritual and Practical Meaning. Marcus, in Japanese culture, there's something special about cleaning the entrance, right?
Yes, the entrance is the face of your home. It's the first space people see. When you clean your entrance with care, good energy flows into your home. You also feel proud when you walk through a clean door. This affects your whole mood.
That makes sense. So how do you keep it maintained?
Make it a daily habit. Clean your entrance every single day. Just like you wash your face, you clean your door and entryway.
Tip number 6. Quick entrance cleaning steps. Marcus, break down the entrance cleaning for us.
First step, if you have shoe racks or shelves, dust them from top to bottom. Dust always falls down. Work from top to bottom, never the other way around. Second step, use a broom to sweep the floor. Remove dust and dirt brought in from outside. Sweeping takes 2 minutes. Third step, wipe the floor with a wet cloth or disposable wet sheet. If there isn't much dust, the wet sheet alone is enough. This final wipe takes 1 to 2 minutes.
Simple and effective.
Yes. And remember, no more than 1 pair of shoes per person should sit out. Keep the entrance clear of clutter. This makes cleaning faster.
Tip number 7. Finishing the entrance with atmosphere. After cleaning, is there anything else?
Yes. Use a nice aroma or incense. This creates a pleasant energy. Your entrance becomes a welcoming space. After a long, tiring day, you walk through that door and immediately feel calm and appreciated. The scent purifies the air.
It's the finishing touch.
Exactly. A clean entrance with good aroma creates good energy. Science shows that scent affects mood. You feel instantly better.
Section 5. Kitchen maintenance. Understanding why kitchens get dirty. Kitchens are tough. Why?
Oil and dust build up quickly in kitchens. Heat causes grease to stick to surfaces. Over time, this becomes very hard to clean. Prevention is everything.
Tip number 8. Attack grease immediately while cooking. So what's the key?
Clean grease while it is still hot. After cooking, immediately wipe splattered oil and steam. Don't wait for it to dry. Hot oil is easier to remove. Dry oil sticks permanently.
That's the secret?
Yes. Keep disposable cleaning wipes by your stove. The moment you finish cooking, wipe everything. This takes 30 seconds. If you wait until later, it takes 10 minutes. Immediate action is powerful.
Prevention beats deep cleaning.
Always. Small daily actions prevent big problems.
Tip number 9. Keeping sinks bright and shine. Why do stainless steel sinks get cloudy?
The chlorine in tap water and other minerals cause cloudiness. Many people let water dry naturally on the sink. This causes spots and dulling. Instead, dry the sink immediately after use with a clean cloth. Just 1 minute of wiping keeps it shiny and new-looking.
What if it already has stains?
Mix baking soda with water. 1 spoonful of baking soda in 200 milliliters of water creates a spray. Spray it on stains, let it sit briefly, then use a sponge to wipe gently. The stains come off easily.
Tip number 10, the empty counter strategy. I noticed in your kitchen the counters are bare. Why?
Empty counters are the key to a clean kitchen. If you leave seasonings, utensils, or items out, they collect oil and dust quickly. Move everything into drawers and cabinets. An empty counter is easier to wipe and easier to keep clean.
But people need things accessible, don't they?
Keep the things you use daily in drawers or cabinets. Your counter space becomes workspace. It's easier to cook, it's easier to clean. The psychological benefit is huge. You see open space and feel organized.
Tip number 11, protect drawers from grease. What's your trick for keeping drawers clean?
I place paper liners at the bottom of drawers before storing seasonings. Grease and spills land on the paper, not in the drawer. Change the paper monthly. This prevents permanent staining and keeps everything fresh.
Section 6. Bathroom and Water Areas. The spiritual practice of toilet cleaning. Might sound unusual, but tell us about cleaning the toilet.
In Japanese culture, cleaning the toilet with gratitude and respect is believed to bring good fortune. This isn't just superstition, there's psychology here. When you approach a task with respect and care, you do it better and more frequently.
So, gratitude actually helps?
Yes, your mindset changes how you act. When you are grateful for your toilet, you clean it better. When you clean something better, it stays cleaner. It becomes a positive cycle.
Tip number 12. Handling tough toilet stains. What if the toilet already has dark stains?
If you notice black ring-shaped stains, use an acidic toilet detergent. Acidic cleaners break down mineral deposits. Follow the product instructions carefully as some materials are sensitive to acidic products. Spray and let it sit. Scrub gently. Repeat if needed.
Tip number 13. Wash basin maintenance like brushing teeth. Your wash basin is next to the mirror. How do you keep it clean?
Think of it like brushing your teeth, a quick habit you do multiple times daily. Every time you use the sink, quickly rinse it. Every evening, spray a gentle bathroom detergent, let it sit 2 minutes, then scrub lightly with a sponge.
Why gentle?
Harsh scrubbing damages the finish. A melamine sponge can scratch certain materials. Be gentle. The detergent does the work, not force. After scrubbing, rinse completely.
Tip number 14. Mirror cleaning technique. The mirror gets dirty too, right?
Yes, use a wet cloth first to remove moisture and residue. Follow with a dry cloth to finish. This two-step method prevents streaking. When you see your reflection in a clean mirror surrounded by a clean basin, you feel energized. It's like starting fresh every time you look.
Tip number 15. Bath and shower prevention. What about the tub itself?
The key is quick drying. Moisture causes mold growth. After bathing, open the window or turn on the exhaust fan. Most bath stains are soap buildup and skin oil. These are easy to remove. Drain the water, spray detergent, wipe, and rinse. This takes 2 minutes.
Any special tricks?
Use a squeegee or cloth to remove water droplets from the tub walls and mirror. Do this while moisture is still present. Water droplets that dry naturally cause staining and spotting. Active removal prevents this completely.
Tip number 16. Soap scum management. Soap scum builds up fast, though.
When you wipe the tub immediately after each use, soap scum never has time to accumulate and harden. The habit of quick cleaning after bathing takes 3 minutes, but saves you an hour of hard scrubbing later. This is smart maintenance.
Section 7. Why this system works. The truth about deep cleaning entire homes in one day. Marcus. Yuki, people often ask about deep cleaning entire homes in one day. What do you think?
Deep cleaning takes time. 40 minutes for a bathroom, 30 minutes for a living room, 20 minutes for a washroom. Most people don't have this time every day. They get frustrated. They stop cleaning. Then the house becomes dirty.
So, daily small cleaning is better?
Much better. 10 minutes daily is easier than 3 hours once a month. It's less tiring. You stay consistent. Consistency creates cleanliness. One day of work is forgotten. Daily habit is permanent.
The psychological impact. What happens to people mentally when they maintain this routine?
Stress reduces. A clean space calms the mind. Studies show this. People who clean daily report feeling more in control of their lives. They feel less anxious. Their homes feel like real homes, not obligations. Families smile more in clean spaces.
Section 8. Making it a lasting habit. Tip number 17. Build gradual consistency. Marcus, how do you make sure people stick with this?
Start with 3 days, not full weeks. 3 days. Once 3 days feels normal, add more days. Your brain creates habits through repetition. Small repetition builds fast. After 3 weeks of daily cleaning, it becomes automatic. You do it without thinking.
Tip number 18. Pair cleaning with enjoyment. Should cleaning feel like a chore?
No, enjoy it. Play music while you clean. Use nice smelling products. These make it pleasant. When you associate cleaning with good feelings, you want to do it. Motivation comes naturally.
Tip number 19. Track your progress visually. How do people stay motivated?
Take photos, before and after photos. See the difference. Your brain recognizes improvement. This creates dopamine, the feel-good chemical. You feel proud. You want to maintain it. Small wins create big motivation.
Section 9. Integrating professional help. When to consider outside support. Marcus, not everyone can do this alone. Is that okay?
Absolutely. Life gets busy. Some people work long hours. Some have physical limitations. Using professional housekeeping services once weekly is smart. You save 2 hours that week. You use that time for things that matter: family, hobbies, rest.
How does this fit into the bigger picture?
A clean home is one part of wellness, but your time and energy matter too. If cleaning exhausts you, professional help is not a failure, it's wisdom. You gain energy for living. Your quality of life improves. Your relationships improve. This is what matters most.
Marcus, before we go, I want to remind everyone watching, subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical tips that actually work. Drop a like if this helped you. Comment below which tip you're trying first. Share this video with family members who need it.
Thank you for having me. Remember, small daily actions create big changes. Your clean home is waiting.
That's the wisdom right there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.